Hello everybody. If you have one of these Brother P-Touch Home and Hobby 3 label makers, this one happens to be a PT-85 and it won't print. It's probably because the tape is not feeding properly, so let me show you how to fix it. The way this works is when you print, this roller right here, little foam roller, rotates and feeds the tape, and it needs to be in this position to be able to put enough pressure on the tape to make the tape feed properly. This white piece is pushed in this direction to the left by this little tab here. So when you assemble the back, this little tab pushes the roller wheel to the left. The reason it does that is that if the roller wheel were contacting the tape, you couldn't remove the tape cartridge. So that roller wheel has to be pulled to the right in order for the tape cartridge to clear. But once the tape cartridge is in place and you put the back on, that pushes this wheel forward. Well, what's happened is over time, that wheel is either worn out or shrunk or degraded, and it's no longer making contact with the tape, and therefore it's not printing and the tape is not feeding. So here's the solution. It's very, very simple. There are a couple of different ways to fix this. Let me show you 3 different ways that I've tried. Number one, if you don't have the back anymore, you can still get this to work. All you do is take a credit card, cut off about a 1/4 inch wide piece, the entire length of the credit card, and fold it into 3 pieces. It'll look just like this. 3 equal pieces. And all you do is you insert that right here behind the roller wheel, and you'll see that the roller wheel now makes contact and it will print. The problem with this solution is that you can't put the back cover on. So, if you need to put the back cover on, you have 2 options. One, so right down here, you can see that little piece right there. This piece pushes up against the print cartridge. Take a little piece of credit card and stick it down in between here, and you'll see that the wheel moved to the left when I put that piece in. Right? Put that little piece right in there and the wheel will move to the left. That's solution number 2. And solution number 3, which is the one I'm going to use, is to take that little piece of credit card we talked about. I have it bent over the top here. I'm going to put a drop of super glue either right here or a piece of double-faced tape. You put that in right behind the white piece. And now when you put the cover back on, this tab pushes up against the credit card, which pushes up against the roller wheel, and it will print and feed. There it is. Printed an A, and there you have it. So if you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.